Hello students, in last video we have seen up to Rani Durgavati. In today's video we are going to see about Aurangzeb and conflict with Ahom. Aurangzeb won the war of succession amongst other sons of Shah Jahan and became the emperor by detaining his father. In 1658 CE, Dara Shikoh, the elder son of Shah Jahan, was famous for religious tolerance. He translated more than 50 Upanishads in Persian language. When Aurangzeb became the emperor, at that time the Mughal Empire extended from Kashmir in the north up to Ahmednagar in the south, and from Kabul in the west up to Bengal in the east. To this, Aurangzeb added Assam in the east and the regions of Adil Shahi of Bijapur in the south and Qutub Shahi of Golconda after he ended these kingdoms. Okay. Who is Aurangzeb? Aurangzeb was the son of Shah Jahan. He became king after capturing power from Shah Jahan. When he became त्यांनी शहाजहान कडून ही पॉवर कॅप्चर केली. हाऊ? आफ्टर सक्सेशन, वॉर ऑफ सक्सेशन, म्हणजे त्यांच्या राजाच्या पदासाठी टू बिकम किंग देर वॉज फाईट अमंगस्ट ब्रदर्स, अदर सन्स ऑफ शहाजहान, अँड ही बिकेम द किंग. When he became the king, the Mughal kingdom was from Kashmir to north up to Ahmednagar in south, and from Kabul in west up to Bengal in east. Aurangzeb added Assam, Golconda. Here Aurangzeb added Assam, Bijapur and Golconda in his kingdom. Okay, and here Dara Shikoh, the elder son of Shah Jahan, was famous for religious tolerance. Okay, जो औरंगजेबचा भाऊ होता दारा शुको, he was the famous for religious tolerance and he translated more than 50 उपनिषदास इन पर्शियन लँग्वेज. त्यांनी काय केलेलं, उपनिषदातले 50 उपनिषदास पर्शियन लँग्वेज मध्ये ट्रान्सलेट केलेले होते. ओके. औरंगजेब, दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ औरंगजेब. ही बिकेम किंग आफ्टर कॅप्चरिंग द पॉवर फ्रॉम शाहजहान. आफ्टर his death, Mughals started becoming weak. Now next, conflict with the Ahoms. In the 13th century CE, the people of the Shan community settled down in the valley of river Brahmaputra. They established their kingdom there. They were locally known as Ahom people. In the 13th century, that is 1300, 2 zeros means century. So 13th century CE मध्ये काय झालं, the people of the Shan community settled down in the valley of river Brahmaputra. रिव्हर ब्रह्मपुत्राच्या खोऱ्यामध्ये शान कम्युनिटी people of Shan community has settled down, and they known as Ahom people. While Aurangzeb ruled, the Ahom had prolonged struggle with the Mughals. Aurangzebच्या like Akbar, Aurangzeb also had to face oppositions from many kings. Ahom kingdom was one of them. It was established on Assam. During the Mughal period, Ahom king, see here, the Ahom united under the leadership of Gadadhar Singh. Commander Lachit Borphukan gave an intense battle against the Mughals. Ahom communityचा king कोण होता? Gadadhar Singh was the leader of Ahom community, and during the Mughal period, Ahom king Gadadhar Singh and his commander Lachit Borphukan successfully kept Assam free from the Mughals. They kept Assam safe from Mughals. They used guerrilla technique. The Ahom used the guerrilla techniques in the conflict against Mughals. It became impossible for Mughals to create a strong base in Assam. While fighting with Mughals, they used guerrilla technique and they were successful to kept Assam safe from Mughals. In the 13th century CE, the Ahom people, here is the valley of river Brahmaputra where Ahom community has settled down.